Hey, it's Chad Lubin of Cross Country Mortgage. Thank you so much for your trust on your mortgage. It was an honor serving you. This is always a confusing time of the month for us, and I'm sure for you. Your first payment's due on the 1st. Please know you have a grace period till the 15th. So on every mortgage, there's a grace period till the 15th. You're not recorded late until the 15th. So we do have some time before that date happens. But what occurs after your loan closes, believe it or not, we need to go through another audit. There's a certain number of loans that gets pulled out for audit to make sure that there's nothing missing in the file before we deliver it to the market. That's when servicing can get set up. So if you don't have a servicing letter yet, there's a payment coupon in your closing package. That's the big stack of documents that you signed at closing. There will be a payment coupon in there. When in doubt, use that coupon, or you can always call us with questions, 312-731-4939. Or you can also send us an email, reply back to this email. I also wanted to invite you to something. We have a wealth building workshop that we do quarterly. We have one of the top financial advisors in the entire country, my friend, my advisor, Jeff Radicangeli. He's number 26 on the Forbes top financial advisors. He's going to come on December 15th from 11 a.m. till noon Central Time. That's noon to 1 for my East Coast clients. Just know you do not want to miss this opportunity. He's taught me more about wealth accumulation, investment strategies, budgeting. That's just allowed me to create wealth I would have never dreamt I would have had. And I wanted to share him with you. I want to share his tactics with you. You do not want to miss this. Feel free to invite coworkers, family members, friends. This could be an hour. This will be an hour that I know will change your life. And lastly, we are doing raffles for referrals. So how you enter, we've given away iPads, we've given away AirPods, we've given away trips. You do not want to miss an opportunity to enter into our raffle. How do you get entered? You introduce us to family members or friends. So here's what we're looking for. Every introduction will get you a raffle ticket, and we're looking for 3 people who you know who currently rent. These could be coworkers, these could be family members, these could be friends, college friends, high school friends, whoever they might be. If they're renting, we want to eventually help them become homeowners. They don't need to be ready to buy now. We just want to be introduced to great people like you. And we're also looking for 3 homeowners that we could do a review. What do we do during your review? We check in on value. We let you know if there's any lower interest rates, and we just set you up if you need any referrals within our network, attorneys, financial advisors, architects, anything like that. So attached below is a we need your help form. If you could fill that out and send it back to us, we would love an email introduction. We will also send you a template below of how we like to be introduced. So thank you so much for your introductions. Once again, they don't need to be ready to buy right now. We just want to put some information in front of them so when they are ready to buy, they think of us, and we want to help them accumulate wealth. So thank you so much for your introductions. Thank you for your trust on your mortgages. We'll be inviting you to events. We'll be following up with you twice a year for a semi-annual review, and we're just honored that we have the opportunity to serve your mortgage needs. Thank you again.